Everyone, my name is Suraj Kumar, and in this video, I am going to explain about this question, single number. So this is a 136 number question on Leetcode, and let me first read the question. So the question is saying that given a number, given a non-empty array of integers, now every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. So I have given one nums array, and in this array, like every number is present twice except one number. So in this array, you can see that two number is present two times, but one is present at one time. And in second example, four is present one time, one and two is present two times. So only four is like present one time, and every number is present two times. And in the last, only one number is present, and that is one time. So I have to just print the number which is present one time. So in first example, the result will come 1, and the second example, answer will be 4, and the third example, the answer will be 1. And the question is saying that you must implement a solution. So first, let me tell you like how I will be going to solve this question. So I can use hash map here to solve this question, because like what I will do. So let me tell you on whiteboard. So suppose I have given 1 4 3 4 3 1 5. So in this array you can see that 1 is present 2 times, 4 is present 2 times, 3 is present 2 times, and only 5 is the number which is present at one time. So what will I do is I will create a one hash map where like every number will be the key, and at what number, like how many number times it is coming, that will be value. So suppose so what I will do is first I will create a hash map, and every time I will like add my number as a key if it is not present. So I will check in hash map, like if it is not contained, then I will put that number, and like their value will be 1 at first time. And if the second time I will check if it is already contained, then I will get the first number which I have given, and just I will add 1 into that. So when like first one will come first time, so the key will be 1 and the value will be 1. And for 4 also, 4 1 3 1, and when 4 will come again, so I will first get the first point which is given, and I will add 1 to them. So my result will be for 2, and again 3 is coming, so 3 2, 1 is already present, so 1 2. So that's how I will do. And in the last I will check like which key is coming at one time only. I will just, so this is the first approach. By doing this, I will be solving this question in big O of n, because I will be using only one loop to do that. And after that, I will tell you another approach how will I solve. So let me first code this approach. First, I am creating a hash map of their key and value both will be integer. And let me take the same hash map, and I will run a loop is equal to 0 to and dot length. And I will first check if hm dot contains key nums of I. Then in hm I will put number as a key, and the value will be at first time 1. And in else condition, what I will do, I will first take value like hm dot get nums of I, and in hasnap I will put nums of I, comma b plus 1. So whatever the like number is already present, I'm adding 1 into that, and I'm adding into hashname. So if I will suppose I want to print my hashname, so I'm just returning 0, and I will show you what is coming into my hashname. My answer will not come right, but I'm just checking like what my hashname is like right or not. So it is giving me error like method contains key. Actually, I have not. The spelling will be contains key. Yeah, now it is right. We have to do here not. If it is not contains, then I'm like putting nums of I and 1. And if it is already present, then I will put nums of I and whatever number is already present, whatever value is already present, I'm adding 1 into it. So now it will give me my hash map. So here you can see that 1 is present 1 time and 2 is present 2 times. And in case 2, 1 is present 2 times, 2 is present 2 times, and 4 is present 2 times. So now what I will do is I will take like so int a sn dot in dot p space. That's how like sm dot pset will give me all the like key of hash map, and I'm iterating over int a, and I will check if sm dot get a equal to 1, then I have to just return a, because I have to just return that key which value is 1. So that's how I'm like checking sm dot get. If any key value is 1, then I have to just return that key only. So that's how this will give me the result. So I will take a number answer equal to 0, and I will assign a into 1. And then I will return answer. Now you can see that every text is accepted. So now submit, and let me see, it is giving me, yeah, it is giving me accepted. So now let me tell you another approach which I will use to solve this question. So the another approach I will use is XOR. So if you are not like knowing XOR, so let me tell you. So XOR sign is this, and XOR is like bitwise operator, and you must be knowing about OR, and so that's how like XOR is also present in bitwise. And what it will do is what bit like XOR is so does is, suppose if I have like same number, like if it is 0 0, then my result will come 0. If the number is same, then the result will be 0, and if the number is like different, if I take 0 1, then it will give me 1, and if it is 1 0, then it will give me result 1. So let me tell you some facts about XOR. So I've told you two things about XOR. So suppose if like number is same, so like suppose I have 5. So for 5, my binary bit will be binary will be 101, and if the number is same, then the result will what will result come? The result will come 0, and is any number if you will do with 0, the result will be same. So the fact about XOR is if the number is same, so 5 and 5 will result will be 0, and if any number you will do XOR with 0, then the result will come the number itself. So this only I will use this this question, because in this question you must be knowing that I have to just find the number which has came one time, and every number is coming two times. So suppose I have number like 5, 6, 6, 5, and 4. So here 6 is present two times and 5 is present two times and 4 is present one time. So when you will, what I will do is I will take int a is equal to 0, and I will do XOR with a every number. So if the number is coming two times, so if you will do XOR with same number, then what this result will come? 0, 5 and 5. 5 and 5 will come 0, 6 and 6 will come 0. So everything will result in 0, and when you will do XOR with 4, so the result will be the number is 4. So that's how you will get the number which is coming at only one time. So let me for this. What else was we do? So I am just taking one variable int is equal to 0, and I will set over window. So I am doing a XOR with nums of I, and I will just return a, and only 3 lines of code will give you result. So you are getting one. So now submit. So you can see in this it's giving me like right answer. So that's how this XOR will give you like results. So you can use XOR in this question to solve, because that will be very easy to solve. So that's all from my side for this question, and thank you.